मोदी सरकारान मॉडेल कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट फार्मिंग कायदो तयार केला। दिल्लीत सगळ्या राज्यांच्या शेतकी मंत्र्यांक घेऊन ह्या कायद्याचे अनावरण झाले। विजय म्हणटा गोंयांत शेतकी खाते आणि येणावळ खात्याच्या जोड पावलान हो कायदो चालीक लायतले। गोंयच्यो पडीक जमनी वापरात हाडपाक खंय हो कायदो फायदेशीर, तातूंतल्यान कम्युनिटी फार्मिंग सुरू करपाचो सरकाराचो विचार आसा।
It will help in a very big way to bring fallow uncultivated land under cultivation.
And what will be the role of the central government along with the help of...
Central government has only given you guidelines. How this law can be done. But every state will have to adopt the law by looking at the specific conditions which are unique to the state.
And it will be...
The state of Goa has got many things which are unique from the other states.
Financial
one of which is our Agriculture Tenancy Act. Second is the existence of communidades. So we will have to factor in all this.
Financial provisions kind of.
Finance is an issue now. This is a matter of being guarantor to see that that land comes back to you. Or in the event there is a loss, you are basically shifting the loss back into the
and this will be done in consultation between Agriculture and Revenue Department.
And Revenue. Has to be.
And by when you want to put these things in place? How long? How long it will take for you to put this in place?
Today I will give the guidelines and I will make them do everything before the next assembly session. It will be my endeavor to move a contract farming act before the next assembly session. I will do it by taking into confidence everybody, every stakeholder, including lawyers. I will go to the bar association. I will make them have a seminar, because whatever act we are going to come has to benefit the state in a big way, and I will supplement it with the community farming scheme that I have come up.
गोयचे शेतकी धोरण सद्याक 4 वर्सां फाटी जाली ड्राफ्ट फॉर्मात दुल्ल खात पडला। विजय म्हणटा केंद्राच्या या नव्या मॉडेल कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट फार्मिंग कायद्यान शेतकी धोरणांतल्यो चडश्यो गजाली आपसुकच चालीक लागतल्यो।
सेम टाइम तुम्ही ॲग्री पॉलिसी टचूच करिना, ती तशी पडना।
पॉलिसी व्हॉट इज पॉलिसी? पॉलिसी इज दिस कितें हा पॉलिसी हाडली आनी आमचे कडेन वी डोंट हॅव ऑर्गन्स, व्हॉट इज द यूज? दिस इज द मेन थिंग। जमीन पयली कल्टिवेट करपाक तुजे कडेन पयशे ना जाल्यार कॉर्पोरेट येता न्ही। कॉर्पोरेट कितें म्हणटा फाल्यां आपूण आयलो 2 दिसान आपल्याक गेट आवट म्हणलो, मागीर कितें? So ताका मिनिमम टायम दिवचो। ऑल दीस थिंग्स विल हॅव टू फॅक्टर। पूण इंटर-डिपार्टमेंटल कोऑर्डिनेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड। आय कॅन्ट डू इट ऑन माय ओन।
ॲग्री पॉलिसीची गरज ना म्हणटा।
ॲग्री पॉलिसी गरज ना म्हणटा।
एके वटेन गोंयांत आसात ती शेतां हडप करून थंय टॉवर आणि बिल्डिंगां बांदपाचे प्रकार मोठ्या प्रमाणात सुरू असताना कॉर्पोरेट लॉबीच्या आदारान पडीक जमनी वापरात हाडपाचो विजयाचो विचार। मात विजयाचे हे प्लान शेतकार कितलो उखलून धरतात ताचेर सगळे निंबून। प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे।